Hi everyone, hope you're all doing great. Welcome to another video. It's mid-October, we're well into the fall season right now, and today I'm going to be harvesting this sweet potato that I planted back in spring. So let's take a look. So this is a variety called Bonita that I bought as a starter back earlier in the year in the garden center. And I'm really curious about what the tubers might look like today. It's a bit late to harvest it, but really excited to see how it turned out. So I'm starting by cutting off and removing all the vine and to expose the center of the sweet potato itself. And once I've done that, I'm going to just try to dig up and pull out the tubers. It looks like we have really big tubers in there. Okay, let's see. Ah. I'm going to have to keep it. It's really hard to get out. All right, so there we are. All right, here is some more and some more over here. There we go. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that giant. Wow, what a beauty. Wow, there is a lot of sweet potato in there. Wow, quite interesting harvest, I would say. Look at that. So let's see if we have more in here. All right, so wow, look at this. That is, oh my goodness, look at that one. You've got to be kidding me. Okay, there are lots of roots that did not develop tubers that are big enough to eat, but the ones that did, quite impressive. Look at this one. This is unbelievable. Wow. Okay, so I'm pretty happy with this. There we go. So this is what we have. That is a beautiful harvest. So this is the harvest from this little high bed, and I'm really happy with what we have here. I'm going to go ahead and give it a rinse. Look at that. These are gorgeous tubers. Wow.